It may appear counterintuitive, but if you want a woman to chase and desire you, you must ignore her. It's human nature to yearn for things that appear unattainable or out of reach. These things are often even more appealing because we are unsure whether we will be able to obtain them. You must become your crush's objective desire. Paying less attention to her will make you appear mysterious and intriguing, which is exactly what you want. So stay tuned for today's video, which will go over various ways to ignore a woman and make her chase you as a result. So like and subscribe. 1. Show interest, then pull away. Before attempting any of these ignoring techniques, make it clear to a woman that you are interested. Women and men both struggle with rejection. So first and foremost, don't play hard to get. Pay attention to her and get to know her. Exchange phone numbers and texts, but don't go overboard. You want to do just enough to pique her interest without boring her to death. 2. Be a little guarded. When it comes to winning a girl round, less is always more. You don't want to break your heart to your crush on the first date. This will not cause her to pursue you. If anything, it could turn her off. You should gradually reveal your true feelings. You can still express your interest in her via old text messages and drop her a hint of your true feelings as you get to know each other better. However, keep the majority of your emotions to yourself. This will add mystery to your relationship dynamic and keep your crush curious about you. 3. Ignore her attempts to make you jealous. Do not respond to any of her attempts to make you jealous. Women frequently use techniques to make you jealous, boost their self-esteem, and maintain power in the relationship. Perhaps she subtly flirts with other guys when you're around, or she tells you she can't meet up because she has a date with another guy, or she mentions it in conversation. She's always bringing up her ex-boyfriends. The best way to respond to this is simply to remain silent. You should pretend you didn't see or hear anything she did. You are completely unaware. Allow her to see no change in your demeanor, even if you're hurt and frustrated on the inside. Don't do anything if she sees she cannot impact your emotions this way. It'll make you even more intriguing, and she will probably feel more determined to win you over. 4. Friend zone her. This may appear to be the polar opposite of what you want to do, but bear with me. It's extremely effective. No one, men or women, enjoys being stuck in the friend zone. So, if you treat your crush like any other friend, she will become frustrated and will begin to consider ways to change her behavior for you to notice her. We do not recommend keeping her in the friend zone indefinitely, but doing so shows her that she has made an effort to get your attention and be that special person in your life. 5. Don't change your plans for her. If you make plans that include your crush, stick to them. Of course, if she needs to see you right away because she's sick or there's an emergency, she should reschedule. However, this demonstrates that you care and that she can rely on you. However, if she calls you on a whim to just hang out and you already have plans, you must stick to your original plans. If she sees that you are willing to drop all of your existing plans the moment she asks you out, she will realize that she does not need to make an effort and will most likely not pursue you. So say no and keep her guessing. 6. Don't reply straight away. It's critical not to come across as desperate if you want a woman to chase you. It may be tempting to respond quickly to other messages and phone calls, but it is sometimes better to wait. Responding too quickly gives the impression that you are watching her every move, and she will realize that she doesn't need to make much effort to get your attention. Instead, keep her guessing and anticipating your next move. And the more enticing you are, the more mysterious and unpredictable you are. Of course, let's be honest. You shouldn't ignore her too often because it gives the impression that you're uninterested. Just make sure that you are not always replying straight away. Her impatience and curiosity are key, and this is sure to make her chase you. 7. Stay busy. Women are drawn to men who have their lives in order. They want to be with someone who has similar interests and goals in life. So, for a girl to chase you, she must see that you are not simply waiting for her. If she messages you, she shouldn't expect an immediate response. That's because you're busy with other friends and out having fun. She will almost certainly want to be a part of your fun, engaging, and exciting life if she gets the hint. So, guys, keep yourself busy or she will come after you. 8. Make her jealous. This is something you should approach with caution. We don't recommend going overboard in your attempts to make your girl jealous, but making her feel just a little jealous can make you more appealing. Maybe talk to other girls when she's around, or tell her you're going on a date with someone else. When she realizes she isn't the center of your universe and that other girls are involved, she will almost certainly become jealous and even more determined to make the two of you exclusive. If she sees she has to make an effort to maintain your attention, she will go out of her way to impress you and do anything to get noticed by you. 9. Don't give in to all her demands. It's natural to want to go above and beyond to please someone, but this is a bad idea. If you want her to chase you, she must see that you value yourself enough to say no to her on occasion. And if you do this, she will notice that you value your time, space, and energy, and that she cannot have you whenever she wants. You never want to be the backup guy, and if you never say no to her, that is exactly what you will become. She'll know she can come to you whenever she wants and won't have to put forth much effort. You must establish clear boundaries and expectations, or she will pursue you. 10. Ignore her when she's being unreasonable. If you notice that your girl is becoming unreasonable in her requests or behavior, don't give her any attention. This is more likely to happen later on when the two of you are more at ease with each other. Perhaps you'll get into a heated debate, and she starts saying some pretty nasty things, making false accusations, rather than reacting to her behavior, which may feel natural. Control your impulses and avoid saying anything. Everyone tends to overreact at times, but women can be especially emotionally impulsive. So, unless she apologizes and makes amends, ignore any interactions that occur as a result of her unreasonable behavior. This sets some clear boundaries and lets her know that you won't just tolerate this kind of poor behavior from her, and you will instantly become more intriguing and desirable.